Hello, hi, good morning. So, I wanted to tell you that is in your record book. Inorganic qualitative analysis 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 20. So, we have completed till 20, 15 to 20. But today we are going to learn another two particles, that is MgSO4 and NH4Br. This is extra, but this is important. This is well asked by teacher, so you have to prepare for this also. So you have to write 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and then 20. We have completed. First of all is NH4Cl, CuSO4, ZnCl2, ZnSO4, BaCl2 and last one is NH4 twice SO4. Today we are going to learn about MgSO4. This is extra but can ask by in board. So we have to prepare for this. So complete 15 to 20 in organic qualitative analysis. So let's start. Let's continue. Again we have colorless, unknown solution. First of all we have to find out negative ion. Negative ion has three tastes: dilute SO4 taste, concentrated SO4 taste and third one for SO4 minus 2. Let's start. Original solution, add dilute SO4. You can see here no any gas, no any vapors evolve. That means CO32 minus, S minus 2, SO32 minus all are absent. Second taste, concentrated SO4 taste. Unknown solution plus concentrated SO4. No any gas, no any vapors evolve. That means Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, NO2 minus, C3CWO minus, all are absent. Third one for SO4 minus 2. Unknown solution plus BaCl2. You can see here white precipitates. It indicates SO4 minus 2 may be present. So we have found negative ion is SO4 minus 2. Let's find out positive ion. Positive ion has 6 tastes. Group analysis. For 0 group NH4 plus. Unknown solution plus dilute NaOH. We have to make the solution. No vapor, no smell of ammonia, that means ammonia NH4 plus is absent. Let's do the test for first group Pb plus 2. Original solution plus dilute HCl. Original solution plus dilute HCl. No white precipitates, it means Pb plus 2 is absent. First group is absent. We are doing for first group original solution plus dilute HCl no white precipitate, it means Pb plus 2 is absent. But the same test tube for second group we have to keep it. For second group we have to add just H2S aqueous. If black precipitates P plus 2 or Cu plus 2 or yellow precipitates As plus 3. We didn't get any precipitates, that means second group is also absent. For third group, original solution plus NH4Cl plus NH4OH you can see here no reddish brown precipitates, it means Fe plus 3 is absent. No gelatinous white precipitates, it means Al plus 3 also absent. So third group is absent. Same first group test. We have to keep it for second group. Same here. This is third group test. Original solution, solid NH4Cl, excess of NH4OH. No kind of any precipitates, third group is absent. But same test tube we have to add just H2S for fourth group. Same here, if black precipitates cobalt or nickel, if flash bulb precipitates Mn plus 2, if white precipitates Zn plus 2. We didn't get any precipitates, that means fourth group is also absent. Now continue for fifth group. Unknown solution plus NH4Cl plus NH4OH plus NH4 twice CO3. If we got here white precipitates, then it indicates Ba plus 2 or Ca plus 2 or Sr plus 2. But we didn't get any white precipitates, that means fifth group is absent. If fifth group is absent, that is compulsory sixth group is present for Mg plus 2. So here we have Mg plus 2 may be present. You can do another identification test for Mg plus 2, that is original solution NH4Cl plus NH4OH plus Na2HPO4 fifth group. After fifth group, sixth group is Mg plus 2. If fifth group is present, absent, then compulsory is Mg plus 2 may be present. So this is Na2HPO4. You can see here what precipitates. It indicates Mg plus 2 may be present. So here we got negative ion is SO4 minus 2 and positive ion is Mg plus 2. Let's do conformation test for SO4 minus 2. Let's do conformation test for SO4 minus 2. Unknown solution plus BaCl2. BaCl2 white precipitates SO4 minus 2 is confirmed. Another test for SO4 minus 2. Unknown solution acidify with acetic acid and dilute HNO3. Acidify with sodium carbonate and acetic acid. Acidify with acetic acid, then sodium carbonate, sodium carbonate, then lead acetate. Here we got what precipitates indicates SO4 minus 2 is confirmed. Another test, original solution plus dilute HCl plus BaCl2, HCl, BaCl2. White precipitates confirms SO4 minus 2. Here we completed confirmation test for SO4 minus 2. Let's move for confirmation test Mg plus 2. Unknown solution plus dilute NaOH. You can see here white precipitates, it confirms Mg plus 2. Unknown solution plus Na2CO3. Again, we have white precipitates. It means Mg plus 2 is confirmed. Here we have completed confirmation test for Mg plus 2. So after this, you have to write color, order, dry heating test, flame test and borax bead test. So here we have color, colorless solution. For order, you can write dash. For dry heating test, you can also write dash. For flame test, for Mg plus 2, there isn't any flame. For borax bead test, you have already known that for borax bead test, only colored salt or color solution. So here we have already colorless solution. So for borax bead test, you can write dash 2. So here completed Mg plus 2 and SO4 minus 2. That is MgSO4 magnesium sulfate. Let's move for another inorganic. Okay. Let's continue inorganic correlated analysis. Another particle. We have again colorless solution. First of all, we have to start from negative. Negative one has 3 tests: dilute SO4 test, concentrated SO4 test, and third one for SO4 minus 2. Let's start. First of all, original solution plus dilute SO4 dilute SO4. You can see here gas is evolved. Colorless gas is evolved. Let's continue. For first, dilute SO4 test, unknown solution plus dilute SO4. You can see here, colorless gas is evolved with brick affordances. That means CO3 2 minus may be present. In first test, we got CO3 2 minus is negative. Now we will do for positive one, that is group analysis. Unknown solution plus dilute NaOH we have to heat the test tube. Before heating, let's do another thing. Take a glass rod, dip in concentrated HCl. Dip in concentrated HCl. Take a glass rod near mouth of the test tube. You can see here, near the mouth of the test tube, white fumes. In test tube also you can see white fumes. It indicates NH2 plus may be present. So we got positive ion is NH4 plus and negative is CO3 minus 2. Let's do the confirmation test for NH2 plus and CO3 minus 2. unknown solution plus Nastle's reagent for conformation NH4 plus. Nastle's reagent you can see orange brown precipitates indicates conformation for NH4 plus. Now another conformation test for CO3 minus. Unknown solution plus lead acetate. Here you can see white precipitates. It indicates CO3 minus. It's conformed. So here again we have completed the conformation test for NH4 plus and CO3 minus. That means ammonium carbonate. So we have completed in your journal 15 to 20 and this is today. Another two particle NH4 twice CO3 ammonium carbonate and MgSO4. These two particles you have to write in any notebook to remember how to do this particle. So after this here we have completed inorganic qualitative analysis. Next video we will do organic analysis. So wait for another video. We will start organic. Till then you have to write in your journal as soon as possible. Complete your journal and stay home, stay safe. Goodbye students.